Hey, Assalamu alaikum everybody, it's Jenna G, that's me, the hijab from TNT, and welcome back to my channel. So I know school is reopened and most of you who are on vacation, you all are back out to work, and I know it's back to the hustle, back to the grind, back to the long hours, and then you're gonna have to come home and think about what to prepare for your family to eat, what to make for dinner. Well, this video is just a quick, easy, simple meal idea for you. It's a chicken and vegetable one-pot sort of dish that you will absolutely love, and it takes no time at all. So check it out. So like I said, this is one of those easy dishes you can put together after work. You know, you just got home, busy with the kids, or just a hectic day at work and you're just looking for something fast and simple to put together. This is just two boneless chicken breasts that I cut into pieces. I've got some cloves of garlic that I grated, some cauliflower, some string beans, and some mushrooms. Now the good thing about this is you can actually add any vegetables you like and any amount of vegetables you like. But this is one of those that I just found in the fridge, and I'm just going to put together because I did not prepare anything for the entire day. So this is just a fast meal that I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to be seasoning the chicken with some all-purpose seasoning, adding some paprika, some garlic powder, just a little bit because we have some grated garlic there. And for some spice, of course, I'm going to be using ground chili. Now if the kids are going to be eating this, you can of course just eliminate this chili. Just mix this up. I'm going to put our pan to heat up. I have some fresh parsley that I'm going to be adding just about when it's all finished cooking. So in my pan I have some coconut oil, just about a tablespoon, and I'm adding some butter. Now I'm adding my grated garlic. Followed by my seasoned chicken. I'm just going to cover this and let it cook. Because it's chicken breast and they cut into fairly small-ish pieces, they're not going to take too long to cook. But you want the vegetables to be a little crunchy. Well, at least I want the vegetables to be a little crunchy, so I'm just going to let this cook just about a minute or so. Then I'm going to be adding my vegetables. Keep the heat on low. And now I'm adding my vegetables to the pan. So now I'm going to cover it again and just let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. So it's about 2 minutes cooking. If there's any sort of extra liquid that you don't want in there, you just raise the heat at this point and just let it dry off. So heat is on high, and I'm just going to let it dry off for another 1 to 2 minutes. So it's about a 3 to 4 minutes cook time instead of a 2 to 3 minute cook time. Now at this point, I'm going to just be adding some chopped parsley. Turning off the stove, and in no time at all we've got a nice easy chicken and vegetable dinner idea for you to make at home after a long day at work, hectic day on the road with the kids. Perfect dish for you. Now if you're probably wondering, well, what would be some good things to serve with your chicken and vegetables that we just prepared? Well, I actually had some macaroni salad that was in the fridge, and I also have some fresh salad in the fridge. Now these are two dishes that you can actually prepare ahead of time to save yourself some time, you know, during the week after work. You can just take these out of the refrigerator and put together a nice meal. Come home and make some fresh chicken and vegetables and put it all together for the family. So I'm just going to put some salad, some macaroni salad or pasta salad, and of course my chicken and vegetables. And you've got yourself a delicious, easy to make dinner for the family. We've got the chicken and vegetables that takes absolutely no time. We've got some salad that I had in the fridge before, and you can also put this together too ahead of time. And we have some macaroni salad that can be done as well ahead of time to save on the evening hustle with the kids and after work and all of that. So, bon appetit. You saw how quick that chicken and vegetables took to make, right? It was like no time at all, and something I strongly recommend. And seeing that, you know, you're back to the hustle, especially for those parents on the go, take the weekends and set aside some time and do some food prep. So you're gonna like prepare all your meats, like chicken breast if you wanna do like grilled chicken, how we did it today. Cut up some, debone some chicken, or buy some debone and skinless chicken, boneless chicken, and package it in portions according to the number of people in your family who you're gonna have to cook for. Those things help, especially like if you have a long day at work, you get home, before you head to work, you take it out, you leave it to thaw in the fridge side, and when you get home, it's just about seasoning it and cooking it, or you could even season it before as well. So those are some things you can actually do on the weekends to save on some time with all the hustling on the, you know, everyday sort of schedules. You can also do that with your vegetables, you know, portion them out, have a meal prep for the entire week coming up for the kids or for yourself. Just put portion sizes, put it in the fridge. It makes life a lot easier. And you saw that I had macaroni salad, pasta salad, and I also had some fresh salad. And those are some things that you can actually make and refrigerate for a couple of days, and it will be fine. I know not everybody wants to be eating that, you know, every single day, but a 1-2 days sort of food prep I think is absolutely fine. And once you get some time, do it. And you saw how easy it was to put together this meal. So we had some pasta salad, some fresh salad, and chicken and vegetables. What more would you want? So that was an easy meal idea for you, and I hope you give it a try. It's very simple. Use any vegetables you want. You can even replace your chicken with lamb or shrimp or anything. It does not take long at all, and it's a very delicious, a healthy meal idea for you to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the short, easy, simple video, and try it out at home. Try the food prep as well, and it will save you a lot of time. Thank you so much for watching, and look out for lots more videos to come.